welcome back to my channel. Did you know that you can extract seeds from these delicious strawberries you bought from the market? Just like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, and get dozens of strawberry seedlings in your pot. So, instead of buying strawberry seedlings every year, what if I told you that you can multiply these strawberry seedlings you've grown, meaning you can get hundreds of strawberry seedlings from just one? Yes. Strawberry seedling producers also mostly apply this technique. Now, let's see how you can get hundreds of strawberries from just one strawberry at home. Let's watch together. We start by carefully extracting the seeds from a healthy and fully ripe strawberry, meaning one that hasn't started to soften. Spray plenty of water over the seeds we've collected on the paper towel using a spray bottle. In fact, using a second paper towel to keep the seeds consistently moist will make the germination process more reliable. Place the seeds we've prepared in a bag or container that will retain moisture, like a plastic bag or a container in the fridge. 22 degrees. We placed it on top of the radiator to ensure the germination temperature. What should the soil mix be like for the seedlings to continue developing after germination? We are using 5 liters of peat as the base product. Add a few handfuls of perlite into this peat. Perlite increases aeration in the soil. It helps the seeds root more easily. Crush a small amount of boiled eggshells into it, which is the plant. It will meet the calcium needs. We add about 4 to 5 handfuls of coconut coir. It facilitates healthy root development. It's a premium plant growing medium and soil conditioner made from coconut shells. We add about 3 to 4 handfuls of vermiculite. Since it retains water, it will keep the soil moist. It will also help improve rooting and the branching of roots. Unlike perlite, vermiculite nourishes the plant with elements like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. In about 15-20 days, your strawberry seeds will germinate. As you can see here, many strawberry seeds have germinated. After placing the soil mix we prepared into the pots, let's transfer the germinated strawberry seeds into the soil. After placing the seedlings, we are again waiting for the development of the seedlings in a warm and bright environment. After a 2-month process, our strawberry seedlings are now ready to be transferred to pots. Our strawberry seedlings are producing fruit. Let's say you got the strawberries as seedlings. After a while, it will also be possible to propagate these strawberries. You can think of the strawberry seedling like a vine. To propagate, the strawberry sends out runners and spends all its energy extending these runners. These are actually baby strawberry seedlings. Now let's take these baby strawberry seedlings and get new seedlings. For this, take a pot or a cardboard cup filled with soil. The reason your strawberry seedlings might not be producing strawberries is these runners. If you want to have plenty of strawberries instead of propagating seedlings, don't let these runners grow and just cut them off. These runners develop throughout the summer from the buds in the leaf axils. Stolons are obtained from the runners that emerge from the leaf axils at the neck of the strawberry plant. This is a stolon. It grows along the soil surface in a runner shape. A stolon is essentially a specialized stem that can create new plants. Little plants form at these nodes, and new roots develop where these nodes touch the soil. From this new plant that has rooted and leafed out, we can obtain new seedlings that resemble the main seedling. If it comes into contact with the soil, you need to break the connection between the two plants. We said that if the branch of a strawberry seedling that has produced branches puts out roots into the soil and a new seedling forms, it will stop producing products. The solution is to break the connection between them. I will use 2 pots to separate the 2 seedlings. These are the baby strawberry seedlings on the runners I just showed you. Place the round pot that will root into the soil like this. You can press and insert it into the soil with your finger like this. Then secure the side arms to the ground in this way with a piece of wire or a hairpin. We're not cutting the runners, right now so that they can nourish the baby seedlings until they root. Since I have enough seedlings in my pot, I can clean up the remaining runners and start producing strawberries. You can see that it will produce new shoots in about 2 to 3 days. This is a good sign. It means that it has rooted and adapted to its new place. Now we will cut the runners that are nourishing the baby seedlings so that they can feed on their own and provide us with strawberries. We're digging a hole to place our strawberry seedling in the pot. Remove the seedling from its container, and this is important. To promote faster and healthier root development, sprinkle cinnamon powder into the hole and on the roots. You can use powdered cinnamon, which has antioxidant properties, in all your seedling plantings. Now we have a new strawberry seedling. You can continue this process for years without ever buying seedlings. By the way, let me give you another tip. Soak cucumber peels in a jar filled with water for 2 to 3 days, then pour the water onto your plants. The phosphorus in it will help the plant to bloom and bear fruit. When the fruits start to form, you can smell the wonderful scent of strawberries that are fed with natural fertilizers instead of chemical ones. We need to put our strawberries, which have spent the winter outside, in order in the spring. We need to separate these crowded strawberries and nourish the soil. After thoroughly soaking the soil, we need to take all the well-rooted strawberry seedlings out of the pot, prepare the soil, to nourish the strawberries again, and then transfer the seedlings to pots using a different technique to yield more produce. In my next video, I will share detailed content on this topic with you: how to get high yield from strawberries in pots on the balcony. What are the basic rules to follow? I definitely recommend you to watch it. See you in the next video. We've reached the end of another video. Share this video so everyone can see it and leave a comment below. At the very least, some feedback like a simple thank you or a suggestion in the summer. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to support me and activate the bell. See you in my next videos.